Yeah. Yeah.
Look! Get down. Wow, Brendan! What is all this? Where did all this come from? Is Father Christmas been to our house? Oh, what's inside your house? Oh, what's inside? Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. That's it. That's it. Go on.
Take your thoughts.
I want to open presents. Oh, look what you found.
Yeah, that's what you say, wasn't it?
What is it, Brendan? You want to open it? You need to open it first. Brendan, open it up. Look, what's inside? You did it. That's it. Oh,
Isn't quite complicated how to use both hands.
Some more? Whoa, what's inside? He's a ladybug! Yay! Oh, that's a good one. Wow! You're gonna take it in your house? What's inside? You going in? You go in as well? That's it. He's not quite sure about going in there.
I know.